Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors, and today I have a 2002 Toyota RAV4 with only 43,000 original miles. This is a one-owner SUV with a clean Carfax, no accidents, and an excellent service history. It spent its entire life here in Florida, so it's completely rust-free, and the condition inside and out is truly impressive. These early RAV4s are getting harder and harder to find like this, especially the ones that are this clean, this low mileage, and this well cared for. Toyota's reputation for reliability means this one's going to last a long time. And today we're going to do a full walk around, show you the interior, and take it out on the road so you can see exactly how it runs and drives. So let's get started. Let's start with the walk around of Toyota RAV4 so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go. You have some minor little scratches on the front bumper. Really small, nothing crazy, but a couple little scratches on the bumper. Right here, a little bit, and a little bit right here too. A lot of tread left on the tires. I do have this little piece, so we'll be coming with that. There's a little cap that goes on here. I have it, so don't worry. It's there. There's a couple little minor little chips on the side here. Really small, but I like to point out everything to you guys. I don't want to hide anything. Last thing I want to do is have something show up and you not know exactly what it is, so I'm going to point out little tiny imperfections like that. They're super small, but just want you to know about it. Some touch up on the bumper here. There's a very light parking lot ding right there. Another ding right here. Just Keep in mind, guys, it's a 2002. So for 23 years old, it's in really, really good shape, as you can see. Same as the other side, there's little minor imperfections on this piece right here. Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you everything in more detail. We got power windows, locks. Interior is in really nice shape, as you guys can see. So I thought it was interesting, the jack is actually underneath the passenger seat. So, just so you guys know where it is. Rear seats are in really nice shape as well. They do fold down. Barn door trunk. Open it all the way. Got some little storage compartments. Let's see if I can open this with one hand or not. Yeah, there we go. Got some storage compartments. This is how you recline the seats right here. Just pull those tabs, they fold down. Another storage compartment here. That's your tools for the spare tire, and then there is a little more storage underneath that compartment right there. Let's get inside. No lights on. Engine runs smooth. Check out the radio. Radio works, everything lights up. It's kind of hard to see with the glare. Air conditioning is ice cold. You hear all the fan speeds running. Check this out. This is how you know it's not a smoker. Cigarette lighter's never been used. Ashtray, super clean, never been used. That's a good way to show you guys this car's never been smoked in. So you got the windows. Driver's got an automatic window, up and down. See all the windows work, go up and down smoothly. See all the locks working. Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well it performs and how it feels out on the road. wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low-mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.